Welcome back to Wok Shop. Okay, so today's flavor is one of the most famous flavors in Sichuanese cooking. It is probably the flavor that everybody relates to Sichuanese cooking the most. And it is Ma La Wei Xin. Ma means like numbing, and La means spicy. So you got Ma La, numbing and spicy. From what I've read and what I've been taught is it's based from peasant cooking. It came from peasant cooking in the past. It was a very humble, old school, simple person's flavor. It's higher on the spice level. It's usually very spicy. It's very spicy. It's very numbing. The spice and the numbingness, the mala is the main point. And below that, often garlic, ginger, salt, sugar, sesame oil, sometimes a 13 spice, sometimes a 5 spice. Not that often, but there are recipes that do use the 5 spice or 13 spice as well. I would say the most famous dish that everybody knows around the world is mapo tofu. So mapo tofu is like what they would say is the classic, like ma la wei xin. So please go back and check it. Ma la wei xin.